Panunumpa sa Matawad ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasakisa, na may dangal, katarungan, at kalayaan, na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. God of graciousness, thank you for the gifts of life for this day. Thank you for the rare opportunity to begin again and to experience your goodness and greatness. Today, as we begin this new day, we believe that in your graciousness and faithfulness, your promises in our lives will be fulfilled. Welcome us into your care, nourish us in your graces, sustain us in your unconditional love, comfort, and console us in whatever situation we may encounter difficulty. May this day bring us happiness, holiness, freedom, good health, fulfillment, and fruitfulness. We ask this through Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
One-minute recess declared by the chair. Session resumed. Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
On the first district, Honorable Irma Alfonso Huson, Honorable Nino de la Cruz, Honorable Jesus Pajardo Jr., Honorable Martin Isidro Jr., Honorable Moises Lim, and Honorable Eric Ianieva. Under second district, Honorable Ruben Benaventura, Honorable Rodolfo Laksamana, Honorable Macario Lacson, Honorable Numero Lim, Honorable Roma Paula Robles Dalos, and Honorable Darwin Sia. Under third district, Honorable Terence Alibarbar, Honorable Arlene Malia Chenza, Honorable Pamela Pa Pugoso Pascual, Honorable Ernesto Isip Jr., Honorable Joanna Maureen Nieto Rodriguez, and Honorable Timothy Oliver Sarcal. Under 4th District, Honorable Kister Maribacani, Honorable Don Juan DJ Bagat Singh, Honorable Luisito Chua, Honorable Luisa Marie Lady Quinto Stan, Honorable Science Reyes, and Honorable Joel J.T.B. Villanueva. Under 5th District, Honorable Laris Borromeo, Honorable Roberto Espiritu II, Honorable J.B. Hizon, Honorable Ricardo Boy Isip Jr., Honorable Chari Ortega, and Honorable Raimundo Yopanco. Under 6th District, Honorable Benny Pagabante III, Honorable Carlos Castañeda, Honorable Salvador Philip Lacuna, Honorable Elmer Par, Honorable Luis Uy, and Honorable Luciano Veloso. Ex-officio members, Honorable Leilani Marie Lacuna, and Honorable Juliana Ray Ibay. Your Honor, as of 2:09 in the afternoon, we have 25 members on this 147th regular session.
We have 25 councilors present in this regular session. Without, we have a quorum. 1 minute recess declared by the chair.
Mga kasama, picture po tayo. Good morning po. Mga barangay officials natin, mga punong barangay. Good morning. Kasi mga konsyel po sa baba. Mga konsyel natin. Yung iba po, dito po yung iba. Yung iba po. Kayo tayo dito kayo. Ayun kay Joren. Para lahat po tayo kita. Rod, sama ka Rod. Sama ka. Pwede po ba kayo nakaganto din?
Sirang wire. Eh, yung isa, ano yun?
Yung panel talaga.
Eh, di ba may binigay silang pang-repair? Di ba meron yan pang-repair? Next, Alex. Ako nakakalam kung kailan ako ma-absent ka. Nasabi ko na. Mag-recycle ako. Jong. Ano gagawin? Anong gagawin? Bigyan mo dyan ng ano, babatiin ni Jong. Session resume.
Councilors, please take your seat. Your Honor, we are now on item number 7.
Konting katahimikan.
We are now on item number 7, the reading and approval of the minutes of the regular session held on April 23, 2024. I move, Your Honor, that we dispense with the reading of the said minutes.
There is a motion to dispense the reading of the minutes of the regular session held on April 23, 2024. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve the minutes of the regular session held on April 23, 2024.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve the minutes of the regular session held on April 23, 2024. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
We are now on item number 8, business for the day. May I ask our secretary to read all items under item number 8.
Mr. Secretary, please read.
Item number 1 for first reading, a letter from Punong Barangay Cesar Baloloy of Barangay 673, Zone 73, District 5, Manila, relative to their Barangay Ordinance number 24-001, Series of 2024, entitled Ordinance Concurring the Streets of Escoda, Corner Angel Linao, up to Escoda, Corner General Luna, Escoda, Corner M. Gandhi, up to M. Gandhi, Corner Apacible, Mindoro, Corner Angel Linao, up to Mindoro, Corner Echabilita, and Perez, Corner Apacible, up to Perez, Corner Escoda, which are within the jurisdiction of our barangay as a one-side parking of all types of vehicles as per basic pay.
I move, Your Honor, that we refer item number 1 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to refer item number 1 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Item number 2, a letter from Punong Barangay Gilbert C. Yari of Barangay 224, Zone 21, District 2, Manila, relative to the Barangay Ordinance number 2, entitled an ordinance establishing the Hapag Barangay Community Garden in the barangay of Barangay 224, Zone 21, District 2, City of Manila, and providing for its operation and management as per basic papers.
I move, Your Honor, that we refer item number 2 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to refer item number 2 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Item number 3, a letter from Punong Barangay Alan E. Lagman of Barangay 563, Zone 55, District 4, Manila, relative to the Barangay Resolution number 7, Series of 2024, entitled a resolution recommending the termination of Ms. Sofia V. De La Peña as Barangay Kagawad of Barangay 563, Zone 55, District 4, Manila, as per basic papers.
I move, Your Honor, that we refer item number 3 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to refer item number 3 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Your Honor, we're on item number 4 for second reading. The Committee on Barangay Affairs have rendered its committee report. I move that we adopt the committee report, the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to adopt the committee report of the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition for Honorable Leilani Marie H. Lacuna.
Kinikilala ng APAG ang kagalang-galang Honorable Leilani Lacuna.
Kagalang-galang na presiding officer at aking mga kasamahan dito sa konseho. Ako po ay nandito sa inyong harapan kaugnay sa reklamong sexual na pagkilos na isinampa ng isang menor de edad kasama ng kanyang ina na naninirahan sa Barangay 129, Zone 11, District 1, Manila, laban kay Barangay Kagawad Ronnie B. Liwanag na parehong barangay. Bilang pagtugon sa reklamong to, ang Komite ng Barangay Affairs ay nagsagawa ng pandinig noong March 14, 2024, kung saan dumating ang mga nagrereklamo. Subalit hindi dumating ang respondent na si Kagawad Liwanag at hindi rin siya nagsumite ng kanyang verified counter affidavit o magpakita ng intensyon na humarap at magpaliwanag sa komite sa kabila ng mga notices na pinadala sa kanya. Bilang proteksyon sa minor at maiwasan ng undue influence, nirerekomenda ng Committee of Barangay Affairs na patawan ng preventive suspension without pay na 60 days si Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Liwanag ng Barangay 129 bilang pagtugon sa Section 63 ng RA 7160. Hinihingi ko po ang suporta ng bawat isa sa konsehong ito sa pamamagitan ng papasa ng resolution na to. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Leila Lacuna.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we open the period of discussion debate.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there an objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, may I seek recognition for Honorable Attorney J.B. Hizon.
Councilor Attorney J.B. Hizon is recognized.
Maraming salamat po. Ako po ay nakikiisa sa pagpataw po ng preventive suspension kay Kagawad Ronnie Liwanag. Sa totoo lang po, ang akusasyon po laban sa kanya ay makapagparumi po sa imahe ng barangay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Kaya hindi po pwedeng hindi ito aksyonan ng ating lungsod at kaya nga po naikisa po ko sa layunin po ni Konsehal Leila Lacuna. Nais ko lang din pong idagdag dito po sa ating resolution po kung pwede pong i-amend natin na tanggalin po ang pangalan po nung private complainant at kanyang ina para po maprotektahan ang kanilang privacy. Kasi po dito sa resolution po natin na magsususpend, yung sa draft resolution po, nakalagay po yung pangalan. So, if mamarapatin po ng ating principal author, dun po sa second paragraph, kung pwede po nating i-remove yung pangalan po ng minor na nagreklamo tsaka kanyang magulang and instead lagyan na lang po natin ng general identifiers katulad ng minor de edad na biktima at kanyang ina. Yun na lang po para maprotektahan po natin ang kanilang privacy. Yun lang po at sana po supportahan po ang resolution na to ng buong 12 City Council na maprotektahan po natin ang dignidad at imahe ng barangayan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Councilor JTB Villanueva.
Maraming pasalamat, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Ako ho'y nakikisa sa hatol na ito ng Committee on Barangay Affairs sapagkat ang pagpapataw po ng disciplinary action sa isang bahagi ng barangay ay nararapat upang magkaroon ng strong statement. Hindi lang sa atin dito sa loob ng session hall, kundi sa kanilang barangay mismo. Sapagkat ito pong kasong ito kung saan ang isang halal na barangay official na nagsamantala sa isang minor de edad na constituent nila ay hindi dapat pamarisan kailanman at ito po'y nakakapagpababa ng tingin sa mga halal ng barangay. Kaya ho, ang desisyong ito ay kinakatigan po ng inyong lingkod na lagi kong sinasabi na si JTB galing sa barangayan at dapat palaging itaas ang antas ng pagsiservisyo at pagtingin sa hanay ng barangayan. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you. Councilor Caloy Castañeda is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Your Honor, mayroon lang po akong ilang katanungan na nais ko lang pong maliwanagan. Mga bagay-bagay tungkol sa panukalang preventive suspension kay Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Liwanag ng Barangay 129 sa Tondo. Napansin ko lang po, Your Honor, na ang committee report ng Barangay Affair ay may kalakip na draft resolution na may pamagat na resolution imposing, uulitin ko po, imposing a 60 days preventive suspension on Barangay Kagawad Liwanag of Barangay 129. Ako po ay umaayon at hindi po ako tumututol sa pagpanaw ng mga kaukulang hakbangin upang mabigyan natin ng nararapat na aksyon ang mga reklamo ng ating mga kababayan laban sa mga tiwaling opisyal ng barangay sa pagtupad ng kanilang mga tungkulin sa pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila. Ngunit, Your Honor, gusto ko lamang pong basahin sa inyo ang Rule 16, Section 67, Number 2. Administrative complaint against any elected barangay official. Nakasad po dito na ang mayroon lamang pong karapatan na magbigay ng suspensyon sa isang umabusong barangay official ay bukod tangi po ang ating mahal na mayora. At wala pong karapatang magpataw ng parusa ang City Council. Kaya ako po ay nagtataka doon sa title po ng resolution na ito, a resolution imposing a 60 days preventive suspension. Your Honor, maliwanag na maliwanag po sa ating internal rules of procedure na only the mayor can impose sanction to any barangay officials na nagkasala po. Kaya, Your Honor, akin lamang pong inirekomenda na instead na imposing, ang word na ating ginamit, ay palitan po natin ng recommending kung aprobahan po ng pangunahing may akda. Yun lang po, Your Honor. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Konsehal Kaloy Castañeda. Councilor Leila Cuna.
Salamat po, Your Honor. Tama po ang sinasabi ng ating magiting na konsehal ng District 6. Ang council po ay hindi pwedeng mag-impose. Tayo lang po ay to urge ang ating mayora para siya lang po ang pwedeng mag-impose ng suspension. Tama po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Madam President.
Meron pa po, Konsehal Kaloy? Okay na po. Councilor Attorney Chris Bacani.
Magandang hapon po sa mga kasama ko. Andito lang ako bilang committee chairman ng kababaihan para suportahan ang resolusyon na ipinapasa natin sa council today to urge our beloved mayor na bigyan ng preventive suspension yung kagawad na na-mention natin. Kasi ang aksyon ng acts of lasciviousness, lalong-lalo na laban sa isang minor na edad, ay isang napakabigat na kasalanan na hindi natin pwedeng ipagwalang bahala. Ang preventive suspension ay hindi nangangahulugang pinaparusahan agad ang kagawad. Ito ay upang bigyan ng daan ang isang masusing investigasyon ng walang sagabal upang mailabas ang katotohanan at mabigyan ng hustisya ang biktima. So, yun lang po, sinusuportahan ko po at sana ay mabigyan ng hustisya yung victim ng acts of lasciviousness. Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney Chris Bacani. Bago natin tuloy ang pag-uusap, nice lang po nating recognize ang ating kasamahan dati dito sa Konseho, Councilor Christy Isip. Hello, Tita. Good afternoon. Majority Floor Leader. Councilor Lou Biloso is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ako po'y sumasang-ayon dito sa resolution na ito at hindi natin papayagan ang ganitong mga kilos at agad nating resolbahan. Isang parlamentaryong katanungan lamang po, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Kasi po, napakaraming barangay napupunta na itatapon sa ating barangay affairs at hindi po natin nalalaan wala nang report na nakakarating sa atin kung ano na po ang nangyari. Baka naman po pwedeng marites tayo na paalam sa atin, nagkaroon ba ng ang pagtatalo ng isang kagawad, ng chairman, at o kaya ay ang taong bayan at ang chairman. Wala tayong report. Hindi po nalalaan natin. Hindi sa atin tinatapon kung ano nang nangyari o nairesolba ba, nagkaayos ba sila. So sana po ay sa mga susunod na mga panahon ay magkaroon tayo ng mai-report sa atin ang mga bagay na ito. At katulad nitong kaso na ito, gusto din po nating malaan kung ano nang totoong nangyari po. So, yun lamang po, Ginoong Tagapangulo.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Lubiloso. Bago natin, 1 minute recess, declare by the chair.
Action 63.
Resume. Tapos na siya magsalita. Di nakikinig. Resume na. Session resume. Councilor Philip Lacuna.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Honor. Your Honor, I may agree on the opinion of the former president of the Liga ng mga Barangay, my colleague from the 6th District of Manila, which pertains to the suspension, the preventive suspension, na tama po na under Section 63, when you talk about preventive suspension, it is the mayor in case of the highly urbanized city, yung pwede po mag-impose ng preventive suspension. Pero po, pag administrative case naman po yung filed po sa kanya at hindi naman po kinakailangan ng preventive suspension, it is within the power of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, Your Honor, not only by the mayor. Yun po yung tinatawag po natin pag kino-constitute po tayo as a quasi-judicial body, Your Honor. So, bilang paglilinaw lang po, Your Honor, tama po, pag ang kaso po sa isa pong barangay official ay medyo, alam po natin medyo severe po, o tulad po dun sa kaso po ni against Kagawad Ronnie Liwanag na talagang yung ebidensya po laban po sa kanya ay talaga naman pong malakas. Pwede po na ang mayor magbigay po kaagad or magpataw po kaagad ng preventive suspension. Pero pag yung tinatawag po na talagang suspension, I think up to 6 months po yata, under administrative case, it is within the power of the Sangguniang Panlunsod. So it is not only the power of it doesn't only solely lie on the mayor na maghataw po ng suspension. In fact, mas powerful po yung Sangguniang Panlunsod. So in the case po of dito po kay Kagawad Ronnie Liwanag, pwede pong yung preventive suspension, pwede po ito maging talagang administrative suspension, Your Honor, na mas matagal pa po dun sa 90 days. Bilang paglilinaw lang po, Your Honor. Yun lamang po.
Councilor Calay Castañeda.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Your Honor, tunay po na merong kapangyarihan ang City Council na mag-impose ng penalty sa sino mang barangay official na nagkasala. Ngunit, kailangan lamang po mai-constitute muna ng ating majority floor leader, mag-motion po muna siya na ikino-constitute na ang City Council as a quasi-judicial body para po makapag-desisyon ang City Council at hindi na natin pabutin kay Mayora. Yun lamang po, Your Honor, sana po i-constitute ng ating majority floor leader on a motion na i-constitute niya ang City Council as a quasi-judicial body. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
Councilor Roma Robles.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bilang po chairman ng Committee on Children's Affairs, ako po ay nakikiisa sa pagsususpinde dito sa visit na kagawad Ronnie Liwanag na ito. Kasi bilang babae, bilang ina at may anak na babae, baka nabugbog ko na to. At tama yung sinasabi ni Kuya Philip, baka pwede mas matagal pa sa 90 days para maturuan ng leksyon, 'di ba? Yung 90 days ay hindi sapat sa traumang binigay niya sa menor de edad. So sana kung mas mahaba pa ang parusa para hindi rin po gayahin ng ibang mga opisyal. Minsan kasi may ganyan talaga na opisyal nangangabuso ng kapangyarihan at hindi ito papayagan at hindi ito pwede sa lungsod ng Maynila. Bilang suportahan ko po ang panukala na ito bilang chairman ng Committee on Children's Affairs kasi yung aking Children's Code nandoon na kailangan protektahan ang bawat batang Maynila. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Your Honor.
Councilor Dr. Irma Alfonso.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, ito pong kagawad na to ay taga sa amin, District 1. Actually, malapit lang sa amin yan eh. Isang stretch lang, yung barangay 129 sa aking barangay. At itong kagawad na to, Your Honor, nabigyan na po siya ng chance na para magpaliwanag kung ano man talaga yung nangyari. Pero hindi po siya sumipot. So the mere fact na hindi siya sumipot, ibig sabihin talagang guilty siya. At ang dami naman pong magpapatotoo na talagang guilty kasi may CCTV po yun eh. At nakuha po yun. So ang akin lang po, bilang babae at bilang nanay, kung ako man ang nasa katayuan ng nanay ng batang yon, siguro mas mamarapating ko na mas mahaba pa ang ibigay na parusa sa mga ganitong klase. Although kaibigan ko po ang kagawad na yan, pero ang mali po ay mali. At kung dapat po siyang parusahan, parusahan natin. So I therefore recommend na talagang mas mahaba pa rin ang gawin na punishment para naman po yung mga iba din madala. Kung meron pa po diyang iba, makita naman na talagang tayo, we are meant to punish what is wrong, Your Honor. Kaya tayo bilang recommendatory body to the mayor, sana po mabilisan din na maigawad ni Mayora ang punishment sa isang kagawad na talaga namang gumawa ng katiwalian, Your Honor. Thank you.
Councilor Caloy Castañeda.
Your Honor, uulitin ko po na ako po ay sumasang-ayon na maparusahan ng sino mang barangay official na nagkasala. Ang akin lamang pong hinihiling sa konsehong ito ay ang tamang proseso ng pagpapataw ng parusa. Unang-una, ang may karapatan po na mag-impose ng penalty o kaparusahan sa isang barangay official na nagkasala, bukod tangi po ang ating mayora. However, Your Honor, ang City Council ay magkakaroon po ng kapangyarihan na mag-impose ng penalty o kaparusahan sa sino mang barangay official na nagkasala kung i-constitute ng ating majority floor leader ang City Council na maging quasi-judicial body. Yun lamang po, wala po akong kinakampihan doon sa mga barangay official. Pag nagkasala ka, parusahan. Ang sa akin lamang po, yung tamang proseso. Kung kinakailangan parusahan siya ng City Council, i-constitute muna po ang body, ang City Council na isang quasi-judicial body. Yun lamang po, Your Honor. Maraming salamat po.
Majority Floor Leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period for discussion debate.
There's a motion to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we dispense with the period of amendment.
There's a motion to withdraw.
I withdraw the motion, Your Honor. I move that we open the period of amendments.
There's a motion to open the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved. Councilor Philip Lacuna.
Yes, Your Honor, based na rin po sa observation of Councilor Kaloy Castañeda, in which I fully agree, I would like to amend, if the principal author would accept my amendment, to the title of the said resolution. And it would be as follows. A resolution urging His Honorable Mayor Maria Sheila Hani Lacuna to impose a 60-day preventive suspension pending investigation by the 12th City Council on Barangay Kagawad or against Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Biliwanag of Barangay 129, Zone 11, District 1 of the City of Manila, Your Honor.
Majority Floor Leader. Binago na yung title.
I would like to again repeat my proposed amendment. The title should follow, or if the principal author would accept, a resolution strongly urging His Honorable Mayor Maria Sheila Hani Lacuna Pangan to impose a 60-day preventive suspension pending investigation by the 12th City Council on Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Biliwanag of Barangay 129, Zone 11, District 1 of the City of Manila. Tama po, wala pong karapatan ang 12th City Council mag-preventive suspension. It solely lies on the power of the Honorable Mayor. But this can be remedied by the amendment that I just introduced, Your Honor, if the principal author would accept my amendment.
Your Honor, may we ask the principal author if she accepts the proposed amendment?
Councilor Leilani Lacuna.
Yes po, Your Honor, I accept po.
Councilor J.B. Hison.
Yes po, I have also proposed amendments po dito po sa draft resolution natin. In particular to the second whereas clause, I propose to amend the second whereas clause to be read as follows. The now pending administrative complaint against Barangay Kagawad Ronnie Biliwag of Barangay 129, Zone 11, District 1, Manila, filed by, and then we should change the words after that, to a minor victim assisted by her mother. Basically po, yung amendment po na propose ko are to remove the names that are in the resolution in order to protect the privacy po of the minor victim and her identity as well. Yun na po. Thank you very much po. If it is acceptable to the principal author.
Yes po, Your Honor, I accept po.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of amendments.
There's a motion to close the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution imposing a 60 days preventive suspension. Barangay Kagawad, Ronnie Biliwanag, Barangay 129, Zone 11, District 1 of the City of Manila as amended.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution as amended. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Your Honor, we are now under item number 9, other matters, under unfinished business for second reading. Item number 5, draft ordinance number 8711. Principal author, Honorable Councilor Timothy Oliver I. Sarcal. Your Honor, upon discussion with the principal author and the subject to further amendments, I move to withdraw from the agenda item number 5, draft ordinance number 8711.
There's a motion to withdraw the said ordinance. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Your Honor, we have other important matters to discuss that do not form part of the agenda, but needs are urgent. Your Honor, I'm sorry. There is one last item in the agenda. Item number 6 is for second and final reading. Draft Resolution number 7583. Principal author, Honorable Councilor Ricardo A. Isip Jr. The Committee on Cooperatives, NGOs, and POs have rendered its committee report. I move that we adopt said committee report.
There's a motion to adopt the said committee report. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved. Councilor Boy Isip is now recognized.
Magandang hapon po, ginang tagapangulo. ang inyo pong lingkod ay nakikiusap sa aking mga kasamahan dito sa 12 City Council na yung asosasyon po ng ating mga senior citizen, sa particular po sa Barangay 721, Zone 78, na siya pong lumapit sa Sangguniang Panglusod para ho bigyan po sila ng pagkilala or accreditation, ay ngayon po ay dinidiscuss po yung resolution patungkol po rito. Kanila naman pong nasabit yung ating tinakdang mga requirements gaya ho ng barangay certificate, yung list ng mga opisyales at mga membro po ng kanilang mga senior citizen. So, yun lamang po, Your Honor. Nais ko rin po sanang hilingin sa aking mga kasamahan na ito ay katigan at mabigyan ng pagsang-ayon po sa simpleng resolution po para sa mga Senior Citizens Association as people's organization po ng ating lungsod ng Maynila.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendment.
There's a motion to dispense the period of discussion, debate, and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution granting the accreditation of Samahan ng mga Senior Citizens ng Barangay 721, Zone 78, District 5, Manila as People's Organization. Principal Author, Honorable Ricardo Boy Isip Jr.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved. Councilor Ricardo Bayisi.
Ginang tagapangulo, nais ko pong hilingin sa aking mga kasamahan na sila po ay mapabilang bilang principal author po ng resolution na ito, yung mga present po today. At maraming salamat po in behalf of the Senior Citizens Association of Barangay 71. Kasama po sa principal author ng ating ginang na tagapangulo ngayon po na si Konsyal Apple Nieto at ang ating punong mayorya, Councilor Jong Isip. Yun lamang po, Your Honor.
Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation by Councilor Ricardo Boy Isip Jr.
Your Honor, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our former councilor, Honorable Christy Isip of District 5, the mother of Honorable Ricardo Boy Isip Jr., and we wish her and Honorable Boy Isip Sr. a happy 50th wedding anniversary. So, Your Honor, we have so many more items to discuss that do not form part of the agenda, particularly the annual barangay budget for calendar year 2024 of barangays under District 1, 4, and 5. With that, Your Honor, I move that we suspend the rules.
There's a motion to suspend the rules. Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
1 minute recess, Your Honor.
1 minute recess declared by the Chair.
Session resume.
Your Honor, I have here the annual barangay budgets for calendar year 2024 of the following barangays. Barangay 20, under Chairman Anthony Igus. Barangay 45, under Chairman Crisanta Casas. Barangay 52, under Chairman Fernand Aguilera. Barangay 78, under Chairman Elmer Antonio. Barangay 85, under Chairman Dennis De La Rosa. Barangay 87, under Chairman Edwardson Ang. Barangay 88, under Chairman Larry Calixto. Barangay 98, Chairman Julieta Bernardo. Barangay 100, under Chairman Abigail Carpio. Barangay 121, under Chairman Venerando Pancho. 128, under Chairman Siegfried Hernane. Barangay 129, under Chairman Roberto Velasquez Sr. 130, Chairman Mary Grace Villarubio. 139, under Chairman Juan Neri. 404, under Chairman Ramoncito Reyes. 420, Chairman Michael Jan Regala. 446, Chairman King Ancheta. 465, Chairman Nelson Soriano. 472, Chairman Francisco Bonifacio Jr. 473, Chairman Luis Domingo. 500, Chairman Agnes Redita. 511, Chairman Arnold Hinete. 554, under Chairman Marlon Peñaverde. 676, Chairman Richard Comboy. 700, Chairman Alan Sulay. 701, Chairman Lilian Papa. 705, Chairman Lara Criselda Teve. 716, Chairman Armando Gadi. 724, Chairman Rolando Navarro. 748, Chairwoman Luz Viminda Adame. 774, Chairman Romeo Palileo. 778, Chairman Fernando Wi. 797, Chairman Leo Dan Moreno. 718, Chairman Franimar Delfin. 819, Chairman Jesus Castro Jr. 63, Chairman Ruben Jacinto. 109, Chairman Renato Chan Jr. 737, Chairman Edeline Dimanlig. 750, Chairman Quirino Magnaye. 772, under Chairman Lorna Libay. 803, Chairman Herman Mariano. 731, Chairman Salvador Chairman Salvador Cadran Jr. 735, Chairman Alfredo Tan. Your Honor, I move that we tackle on the floor said annual barangay budget.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle annual barangay budget for calendar year 2024. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Your Honor, all of the barangay chairmen whose barangay budgets were just mentioned under District 1, 4, and 5 are present in today's session, and we thank all the and we thank all our honorable chairmen for attending today's session and manifesting your attendance and presence in today's session. So with that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the brief discussion, debate, and amendment.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve the annual barangay budgets for calendar year 2024 of the following barangays: Barangays 20, 45, 52, 78, 85, 87, 88, 98, 100, 121, 128, 129, 130, 139, 404, 420, 446, 465, 472, 473, 500, 511, 554, 676, 700, 701, 705, 716, 724, 749, 773, 778, 797, 718, 819, 63, 109, 737, 750, 772, 803, 731, and 735.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve annual barangay budget for calendar year 2024 of the following barangay: Barangay 20, 45, 52, 78, 85, 87, 88, 98, 100, 121, 128, 129, 130, 139, 404, 420, 446, 465, 472, 473, 500, 511, 554, 676, 700, 701, 705, 716, 724, 748, 773, 778, 797, 718, 819, 63, 109, 737, 750, 772, 803, 731, and 735. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consiel Jesus Taga Pajardo Jr., Consiel Nino de la Cruz, Consiel Irma Alfonso Huson, Consiel Yanyan Ibay, Consiel Ian Bansay Nieva, Consiel Dr. J. Benaventura, Consiel Roma Robles, Consiel Boy Isip, Consiel Rod Laksamana, Consiel Apple Nieto Rodriguez, Consiel Fapu Goso Pascual, Consiel Tol Sarcal, Consiel Terence Alibarbar, Consiel Maile Atienza, Consiel DJ Bagaching, Consiel Attorney Chris Bacani, Consiel Science Reyes, Consiel JTV Villanueva, Consiel Doc Louis Chua, Consiel Attorney Lady Quintos, Consiel Monyo Panco, Consiel Chari Ortega, Consiel Attorney JB, and Consiel Bobby Spirito, Consiel Caloy Castañeda, Consiel Philip Lacuna, Consiel Fog Abante, Consiel Elmer Par, Consiel Lubiloso. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Congratulations sa ating mga barangay. Bawal pumalakpak. 1 minute recess declared by the chair. Pwede na pong pumalakpak. Picture po kami sa inyo, mga chairman. Pero siyempre, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan po natin sa kanilang pagbisita ang Adamson University, third year political science students, at kasama nila ang kanilang professor, Sir Edmond de Guzman. Welcome po sa City Council of Manila. At siyempre kanina binisita din tayo ng ating mga kapamilya sa DOJ. Councilor District 1. Dito tayo. Ian, di pwede dito si Ian. Ha? Thank you, boss. Si Ate Lay ba na dyan? Si Ate Lay? Asa baba? Pagi mo. Yan. Sama ka yan. Dito ka sa baba. Ano eh, blocking mo. Tilay, sama ka Tilay. Tilay, sama ka na lahat, Tilay. Tsaka si Yan. Sa mga barangay. Okay na? Ay, meron pa. Consel Bobby, meron pa daw. Meron ka na dyan? Ay, may malis na. Che, wag muna kayo malis. Che. Chairman, dito muna kay Chairman. Dito muna po kayo, kagawad, sama kayo. Sige, kayo na. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next. Ate Lay, sama ka sa kasiyan niya. Ano una? District 4? District 4. Hello po.
Konti lang tayo eh. O yan, nice.
Sa akin naman.
Ay, meron pa isa. Selfie, selfie.
District 5. Pero pwede po tayo, kita po tayong gandun ah. Ang gandun. So dito ka, Che. Yung maliit doon, no, sa gilid. Para kita po kayo. Hindi kayo makikita. Dito ka, dito. Hindi, dito ka na, dito ka. Sa kanila. Sa kanila. Doon, Che. Para kita po tayo lahat. Kita tayo lahat dyan.
Oh, God first.
Ako naman dito sa akin. Oh, sa akin naman dito. Okay, okay. Kunin mo yung CCTV. Kunin mo yung cellphone na to. Mr. Secretary, please call the roll of members for second roll call.
Under First District, Honorable Irma Alfonso Huson, Honorable Nino de la Cruz, Honorable Jesus Pajardo Jr., Honorable Martin Isidro Jr., Honorable Moises Lim, and Honorable Eric Nieva. Under Second District, Honorable Ruben Benaventura, Honorable Rodolfo Laksamana, Honorable Macario Lacson, Honorable Numero Lim, Honorable Roma Paula Robles Dalos, and Honorable Darwin Sia. Under Third District, Honorable Terence Albarbar, Honorable Arlene Maliachensa, Honorable Pamela Pa Pugoso Pascual, Honorable Ernesto Isip Jr., Honorable Joanna Maureen Nieto Rodriguez, and Honorable Timothy Oliver Sarcal. Under 4th District, Honorable Cristel Maribacani, Honorable Don Juan DJ Bagat Singh, Honorable Luisito Chua, Honorable Luisa Marie Lady Quinto Stan, Honorable Science Reyes, and Honorable Joel JTV Villanueva. Under 5th District, Honorable Laris Borromeo, Honorable Roberto Espiritu II, Honorable J.B. Hizon, Honorable Ricardo Boy Isip Jr., Honorable Chari Ortega, and Honorable Raimundo Yupanco. Under 6th District, Honorable Benny Pagabante III, Honorable Carlos Castañeda, Honorable Salvador Philip Lacuna, Honorable Elmer Par, Honorable Luis Uy, and Honorable Luciano Veloso. Ex-officio members, Honorable Leilani Marie Lacuna, and Honorable Juliana Ray Ibay. Your Honor, as of 3:14 in the afternoon for the second roll call, we have 32 councilors present on this 147th regular session. 32.
Wow! Ang galing naman! 32 members answered the second roll call. We have a quorum. Majority Floor Leader?
Your Honor,
Isa na lang, oh.
I have here the application of R.R. Cruz Funeral Services located at 2620 Severino Reyes Street, Santa Cruz, Manila for special use permit. I move, Your Honor, that we refer said application to the Committee on Housing, Urban Development, and Resettlement.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to refer the said ordinance. Application to the Committee on Housing, Urban Development, and Resettlement. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, the last is a resolution authorizing the City Mayor, the Honorable Maria Shilahani Lacunapangan, representing the City of Manila to enter into a MOA with the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development and Home Development Mutual Fund, also known as Pag-ibig Fund, regarding the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program, 4PH, in the City of Manila. I move that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, a MOA shall be executed between the City of Manila and the
1 minute recess declared by the Chair. Konsi pa. Konsi Apple. Si Konsi pa. Tawag mo si Konsi pa. Session resume.
Your Honor, a MOA shall be executed between the City of Manila and Department of Human Settlements, Urban Development, and Home Development Mutual Fund, known as Pag-ibig, regarding the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino 4PH program in the City of Manila, pursuant to Department Circular Number 2022-04, dated December 15, 2022, of the DSUD, which launched the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino Zero ISF program for 2028. The 4PH program is a government housing program implemented by the DSUD in partnership with its key shelter agencies, aims to address the country's housing needs of over 6 million by 2028. The Pag-ibig Fund is a government fund which is made available for the development of housing projects under the said program. The City of Manila shall be the lead proponent of the 4PH project in the City of Manila, while the DSUD shall oversee the implementation and compliances necessary for the implementation of the project, and the Pag-ibig shall fund the said project as needed. The 4PH program aims to provide quality yet affordable shelters to underprivileged beneficiaries in pursuit of sustainable solutions for the growing housing demands in the City of Manila. With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve Resolution authorizing the City Mayor, the Honorable Maria Sheila Hanila Cunapangan, representing the City of Manila, to enter into a MOA with the Pag-ibig Fund regarding the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program in the City of Manila.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve a resolution authorizing the City Mayor, the Honorable Maria Sheila Hani H. Lacunapangan, MD, FPDS, representing the City Government of Manila, to enter into a Memorandum of Agreement, MOA, with the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development and Home Development Mutual Fund, also known as Pag-ibig Fund, regarding the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino, 4PH, program in the City of Manila, sponsored by Honorable Attorney Ernesto C. Isip Jr. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejal Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consejal Nino de la Cruz, Consejal Irma Alfonso Huson, Consejal Ian Bansay Nieva, Consejal Yanyan Ibay, Consejal Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejal Mayle Atienza, Consejal Roma Robles, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Apol Nieto Rodriguez, Consejal Papu Goso Pascual, Consejal Tol Salcal, Consejal Terence Alibarbar, Consejal DJ Bagaching, Consejal Attorney Chris Bacani, Consejal Science Reyes, Consejal JTV Villanueva, Consejal Doc Louis Chua, Consejal Attorney Lady Quintos, Consejal Boy Isip, Consejal Monyo Panco, Consejal Chari Ortega, Consejal Attorney J.B. Hison, Consejal Bobby Espiritu, Consejal Elmer Par, Consejal Fog Abante, Consejal Philip Lacuna, Consejal Lubiloso, Consejal Caloy Casineda. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution expressing commendation for the successful launching of the Hearing Aid Distribution Project of Manila City Mayor Honorable Maria Sheila Hani Lacunapangan, entitled Manila Hears, Mayoral Listens, on the 28th of June 2024 at the Justice Jose Abad Santos Mother and Child Hospital for the purposes of providing accessibility to the deaf and hearing impaired Manileños. Principal author, Honorable Doctora Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition for Honorable Doctora Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson.
Councilor Honorable Irma C. Alfonso Huson is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Isang magandang hapon po sa lahat. Nais ko po sanang ibahagi sa inyo na noong June 28, nagkaroon po ng successful launching ng Hearing and Distribution Project ang ating butihing Mayora, Hani Lacuna, na may temang Manila Hears, Mayora Listens. Ang resolusyong ito ay isang pagpupugay sa pagmamalasakit at dedikasyon ng City Government of Manila at ng ating pinakamamahal na mayor sa pagpapabuti ng kalidad ng buhay ng mga Manilenyong, lalo na mga may kapansanan sa pandinig. Sa pamamagitan ng proyektong ito, maraming kababayan natin ang nagkakaroon ng pagkakataong marinig ang mundo sa kanilang paligid at maging aktibong kalahok sa ating komunidad. ang Manila Hears Mayoral License ay hindi lamang isang proyekto kundi isang pangako ng ating pamahalaang lokal na walang sino mang maiiwanan sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Mayor Hani Lacuna. Patuloy tayong magsusulong ng mga inisyatibong magtataguyod ng pantay-pantay na oportunidad para sa lahat, anuman ang kanilang kalagayan sa buhay. Kaya sana po makiisa tayo sa ganitong proyekto ng ating alkalde at sana ay itaguyod natin ang resolution na ito, Your Honor. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapong muli sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Irma Alfonso. Talaga naman po nung araw na yun, ang dami talagang ang ngiti abot hanggang tenga dahil sa nakakarinig na sila. Kaya maraming salamat kay Mayor Hani Lacuna Pangan at kay sa Star Key Foundation. Thank you po, Councilor Irma Alfonso.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, ongoing pa rin po ito.
Yes.
Kung gusto lang po dun sa Jose Abad Santos, sa Numencia po, kay Dr. Sakdalan, siya po kasi ang nag-spearhead nitong project na to last June 28, Your Honor.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Hearing aid. Thank you po.
Thank you, Your
Majority
Honor.
Floor Leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the period with discussion and debate and amendment. Discussion and debate. Is there any objection? And amendments? Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution expressing commendation for the successful launching of the hearing aid distribution project of Manila City Mayor Honorable Maria Sheila Hani Lacuna Pangan, entitled Manila Hears Mayoral License, on June 28, 2024, at the Justice Jose Abad Santos Mother and Child Hospital for the purpose of providing accessibility to the deaf and hearing impaired Manileños, as subject to style. Principal author, Honorable Dr. Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve the said resolution, subject to style. Principal author, Honorable Irma C. Alfonso Huson. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejal Jesus Tagapahardo Jr., Consejal Nino de la Cruz, Consejal Yanyan Ibay, Consejal Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejal Myla Echenza, Consejal Roma Robles, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Apol Nieto Rodriguez, Consejal Papu Gozo Pascual, Consejal Tol Sarcal, Consejal Terence Alibarbar, Consejal DJ Bagajin, Consejal Attorney Chris Bacani, Consejal Science Reyes, Consejal JTB Villanueva, Consejal Doc Louis Chua, Consejal Monyo Pango, Consejal Chari Ortega, Consejal Attorney J. Bison, Consejal Bobby Espiritu, Consejal Boyisip, Consejal Fogabante, Consejal Philip Lacuna, Consejal Caloy Castañeda, Consejal Elmer Par, Consejal Lubiroso. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Congratulations, Consejal Irma Alfonso.
Thank you, Your
You have the
Honor.
floor.
Your Honor, I would just like to manifest na lahat po ng konsehal, including the Majority Floor Leader and the regular presiding officer, ay co-principal author po. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilor Irma Alfonso Huson. Mr. Secretary, please take note of that manifestation.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution congratulating the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Manila, for launching the first ever museum at Manila City Jail Male Dormitory on 28 June 2024. Principal author, Honorable Johanna Morin Apol, Nieto Rodriguez. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle the said draft resolution on the floor. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, may I seek recognition of Honorable Johanna Morin Apol, Nieto Rodriguez.
Councilor Apol Nieto Rodriguez is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ngayong araw ay lubos pong nagagalak na ipahayag ang ating pagkilala at pagsasalamat sa Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Manila, sa matagumpay na paglunsad ng unang museo sa Manila City Jail Male Dormitory noong June 28, 2024. Sana po masuportahan po itong simpleng resolution po na ito. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Councilor Apol Nieto.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution congratulating the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Manila, for launching the first ever museum at Manila City Jail Male Dormitory on 28 June 2024. Principal author, Honorable Johanna Morin Apol, Nieto Rodriguez.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve a resolution congratulating the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Manila, for launching the first ever museum at Manila City Jail Male Dormitory, 28th of June 2024. Principal author, Honorable Joanna Maurin Apple C. Nieto Rodriguez. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consiel Sustaga Pardo Jr., Consiel Nino de la Cruz, Consiel Irma Alfonso Huson, Consiel Yanyan Ibay, Consiel Dr. J. Benaventura, Consiel Myla Atienza, Consiel Roma Robles, Consiel Rod Lacsamana, Consiel Papo Goso Pascual, Consiel Tol Sarcal, Consiel Terence Alibarbar, Consiel DJ Bagaching, Consiel Attorney Chris Bacani, Consiel Science Reyes, Consiel JTP Villanueva, Consiel Doc Louis Chua, Consiel Boisip, Consiel Monyo Pango, Consiel Chari Ortega, Consiel Attorney J. Bison, Consiel Bobby Espiritu, Consiel Fogabante, Consiel Philip Lacuna, Consiel Caloy Castañeda, Consiel Lubiloso, Consiel Elmer Paris. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, the last is a resolution congratulating the successful book launch of Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Maynila, 1765 to 1898, ikalawang edisyon at the Manila Clock Tower Museum, Manila City Hall, on July 28, 2024. Principal author, Honorable Pamela Fa Fogoso Pascual.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Councilor Papugoso is recognized.
Maraming salamat po. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay nagpupugay sa matagumpay na paglunsad ng aklat na Kasaysayan Panlipunan ng Maynila, 1765-1898, ikalawang edisyon. Ang aklat na ito ay isang mahalagang ambag sa ating pag-unawa sa makulay na kasaysayan ng Maynila. Ang paglulunsad nito sa Manila Clock Tower Museum noong July 28, 2024 ay hindi lamang isang selebrasyon kundi isang patunay na ang ating dedikasyon sa pagpapanatili ng ating kasaysayan. Salamat sa may akda, mananaliksik at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa proyektang ito. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon po sana ito sa marami pang henerasyon upang higit pang mapahalagan at pagyamanin ang ating nakaraan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Councilor Papugoso Pascual.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period with discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution congratulating the successful book launch of Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Maynila, 1765 to 1898, ikalawang edisyon at the Manila Clock Tower Museum, Manila City Hall, on June 28, 2024. Principal author, Honorable Pamela Fa Fogoso Pascual.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution congratulating the successful book launch of Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Maynila, 765 to 1898. Ikalawang edisyon at the Manila Clock Tower Museum, Manila City Hall on July 28, 2024. Principal author, Honorable Pamela Fa G. Fogoso Pascual. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consiel Sustaga Pardo Jr., Consiel Nino de la Cruz, Consiel Irma Alfonso Huson, Consiel Yanyan Ibay, Consiel Dr. J. Benaventura, Consiel Myla Atienza, Consiel Roma Robles, Consiel Rod Lacsamana, Consiel Apple Nieto Rodriguez, Consiel Tol Sarcal, Consiel Terence Alibarbar, Consiel DJ Bagaching, Consiel Attorney Chris Bacani, Consiel Science Reyes, Consiel JTP Villanueva, Consiel Doc Louis Chua, Consiel Monyo Pango, Consiel Chari Ortega, Consiel Attorney J. Bison, Consiel Caloy Castañeda, Consiel Philip Lacuna, Consiel Fog Abante, Consiel Elmer Park, Consiel Lubiloso. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko lang po sana i-manifest na sana po lahat ng mga konsihal na present at ang regular presiding officer maging co-principal author. At sana po mapadalan po natin ng kopya ng resolution na ito ang may akda na si Maria Luisa Camagay. Itong libro ng Kasaysayang Panlipunan ng Maynila, 1765-1898, ikalawang edisyon. Gayon din po sana mabigyan din ng kopya ang Manila Public Information Office. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Councilor Papugoso Pascual. Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, we have no more items to discuss. I move that we lift the suspension of the rules.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to lift the suspension of the rules. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move to adjourn.
There is a motion to adjourn. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Session adjourned. Picture tayo mga kasama.